Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use elements and stickers in Canva designs. Let's get started. First, go to canva.com and open any design like a post, card, or presentation. On the left sidebar, click Elements. You'll find shapes, icon, photos, charts, lines, and stickers. Then use search bar to find exactly what you need. Try words like hearts or arrows. Then, click on element or stickers to add it to your design. You can resize it, rotate it, and move it anywhere on the canvas. For animated design, search stickers and look for the one that move perfect for videos and social posts. Match elements with your brand or theme using the color picker and layer tools. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.